Local Foods, Local Places is a federal partnership to help communities create walkable, healthy, and economically vibrant neighborhoods.
When I came back to practice medicine in Williamson, people's idea of a restaurant was fast food. In patients, I've always been able to stress, you need to be eating healthy foods, fresh vegetables, those things. So what happened is that there wasn't a lot of access.
Mingo County is rated lowest on many of the health ranking lists, so high obesity rates, high unemployment rates. It's a mining community where we live. Many people are unemployed and looking for work, and so we have been trying to promote economic diversification through agriculture.
It's really easy to identify, what are health indicators, what are things that we need to look at, like blood pressure, diabetes, those things. But our idea really looked at a holistic approach to community development. So the first thing that we decided to do was to create a farmer's market and to help create access to fresh foods and vegetables. One of the ideas that we had was to start a community garden.
Okay, pick those banana peppers.
This space is maintained by a grower, LONNIE BOWEN, and he grows beautiful tomatoes, as you can see, and he sells them to a local restaurant. We also work with a Growing Warriors veteran program down here, which is a Vets to Ag program.
A year ago I was working in the mines and I got laid off. I would have never believed I'd be growing vegetables and getting paid.
There's really been a huge buildup of momentum around local food projects because I think the community is finally seeing the value in growing food and eating healthy.
Our goal from the beginning has been to help revitalize the downtown area. So what we've been able to do is locate many of our programs within the downtown area. We have the health center, which is Williamson Health and Wellness. It has these far-reaching tentacles that are all throughout the community, and whether it be the farmers market, the community garden, the mobile market, or the active living component. As we saw the decline of local restaurants, local eateries go down, and we saw more chain restaurants moving in, the need to have more people having healthier options was something that we wanted to address.
It took me a long time to get people around here to eat salads. Now, I probably sell more salads than I do anything. A lot of my produce, especially in the spring when it's available, we try to use the farmer's market.
It's been a good collaboration with Debbie because she's really artistic with the way she presents her food, and 34/8's a real shining example of what entrepreneurship can do for a community.
One of the missions of the Wellness Center is to promote healthy eating, to increase access to healthy foods to low-income populations, and so they serve as really this anchor institution.
What local foods and local places means to us is that we have all these amenities in a downtown area, and we want to keep that active and keep it vibrant. So being able to have everything nearby and to have people participating in that, restaurants, farmers, it's very important to holding on to these smaller towns in rural America. This is what they were built on.